Benefits of gray color scheme in interior design. Dear friends, gray is an ideal color for people who adore an elegant style. This color adds coziness and softness to any type of interior design. Along with black and white, gray is a neutral color to perfectly with any other hue. No wonder interior and exterior paint palettes always incorporate different shades of gray. Benefits of gray. Gray is usually applied to walls as a base color highlighted by other vivid hues. Aside from being a low-budget option, gray can fit into any interior design to let you pick and replace accent colors to your taste. Shades of gray. Gray is an ideal neutral color available in cold and warm tones. According to interior designers, our eyes can differentiate 500 different shades of gray. Alternating between the undertones of gray can emphasize rhythm and depth in the interior. Gray with white and cream accents. The combination of gray, white, and cream works well in a living room and a bedroom. Some believe the white and cream interior is dull, and pairing them with gray can bring in a fresh look. Gray and balance. Similar to white and black, gray can add an unusual touch to the interior. Create balance when you are using neutral colors by planning other hues to go with them. For example, warm and soft shades of gray teamed with cold colors lend a harmonious look to the home. Gray against beige. Beige used to be a popular base color in previous years. Its popularity got left behind in recent years when interior designers have taken fancy to gray. Unlike beige, gray is able to harmoniously match with any color. Gray kitchen. Classic kitchen interior designs are done in shades of white, often void of character and vibrancy. Incorporating gray will liven up the white scheme color with a contrasting and fresh look. Positive effects of gray on residents. Interior designers usually compare gray with a real person who can communicate peaceful and positive vibes. That's why residents prefer this particular neutral color when it comes to decorating their apartments. What's more, the gray color scheme is the best choice in minimalist and high-tech style interior designs. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.